If you're a pharmacy student, you need to know why aspirin is a game changer for your exams. Aspirin, a go-to for headaches, pain, and inflammation, is a must-know for pharmacy exams like GPAT, Niper DI Pharmacist. This common drug works as an irreversible inhibitor of cyclooxygenase. Sounds fancy, right? But here's a crucial tip. Never give aspirin to kids under 12 for flu-induced fever. Why? Because it can lead to Reyes syndrome, a serious condition that affects the liver and brain. So, remember, aspirin is powerful, but it comes with precautions. Nail this key fact, and you're one step closer to acing your exams. Thanks for tuning in. Like what you learned, share this video with your friends and hit that subscribe button for more pharmacy tips.